Can you see how awesome that is? I feel like you're bored over there. You better not be bored, Eli,
No.
cameraman over there. This is the most exciting thing in the history of inventions. A tool that beat all other tools. Hey everybody, this is Steven.
Hey, and this is Alan.
And welcome to another episode of Paint Talk.
Want to say thanks to our subscribers. Keep on painting the galaxy, you lovely people, and keep on watching the videos as they come out. Today we're going to be talking about tools we love.
Tools we love. We love these tools almost as much as our subs.
Almost.
Almost.
Not quite.
Close.
Almost. Our subs love these tools.
If you're a painter, you know what this is. I don't even have to tell you. If you're not a painter, you should be very curious right now, because this is a painter's best friend. Other than a paintbrush, a paint roller, or a paint sprayer, painters love their 5-in-1. Basically, a 5-in-1 tool allows you to do some cool stuff. This part right here, fun fact, hammer. You can pop a nail in right there. You can clean your roller out with this guy right here.
Yep.
Just scrapes the paint out.
Yep.
It's a scraper. All right. This right here, this hook, allows you to like cut caulking and stuff out, and this guy lets you pull nails out. Some of them will advertise like 8-in-1, or like they'll put a little screwdriver, a little setting inside of there too. But that's the kind of the traditional 5-in-1.
Yeah. There's even like a 10-in-1 now or something like that.
Yeah, this one actually has more. So it scrapes paint, spreads compound. All right, that's right. The back half for spreading, this way for scraping. Fancy. And then you can open cracks or cut caulking out. Open lids. There you go.
Yep.
You use this flat end here. Pop open a lid.
There you go.
What else can you do, Alan? Set nails, utility cutter, clean rollers. It doesn't even say this, but you can, if you use that setting right there, you can pull out nails.
Yep.
Not just set them. Set nails, pull out nails.
Yep.
It's dope. Can you see how awesome that is? I feel like you're bored over there. You better not be bored, Eli,
No.
cameraman over there. This is the most exciting thing in the history of inventions. A tool that beat all other tools by being 5 to 10 tools in one.
Yep.
Pretty amazing, isn't it?
Those old school painters used to have those pockets, the pockets everywhere on the pants. And now they can just have like a couple pockets because they just need a 5-in-1.
You need a 5-in-1 and a rag. That's all you really need when you're painting. Maybe a little sandpaper in the back pocket.
Yep.
Oh, fun story about this though. So these are sharp enough. Don't ever sharpen one. I had a painter once thought it was a good idea to sharpen his 5-in-1.
That sounds bad.
He
Cut himself?
He put it in his back pocket, and then he forgot which hand had his rag and which hand had his 5-in-1. Whipped his hand around and cut the back end of his hand like this. He would swap his hand around, and it just ripped his hand open right there.
Bad.
Blood everywhere. I had to drive him to get stitches.
Yeah.
That was not a great day.
Not a good idea.
So don't ever. They're sharp already. Honestly,
Don't
you
do
gotta
that.
be careful with them already as it is. Don't ever sharpen a 5-in-1. That's just a bad idea.
Next up, Paint Pail Hook. We love this thing. This thing is amazing. It makes all of your ladder work much easier because you can just hook this to your ladder and put the paint can right on it. It kind of looks like those wallet chains. Used to be popular in the 90s.
That's actually how Alan uses his.
Yeah, that's how I.
That's how you keep track of your wallet.
Yep. My wife. No, I'm just kidding. She has always access to my wallet pretty quickly. Just joking. Love you, babe. Anyways, no, this thing is awesome. It makes ladder work way easy. Apparently, I didn't even realize this, but apparently this is also used by fruit pickers.
I love that because we have a backup plan if this doesn't work out.
Yeah, there's a bunch of avocado and
I can pick avocados. That sounds fun.
Yeah, just throw some baskets on these pail hooks. Start picking away. Yeah. Anyways, if you didn't know, that's what this is for too. But anyways, for painters, all joking aside, this thing, although it's very simple, makes your life a lot easier. It keeps you from having to walk up and down your ladder holding the paint pail over and over and over, which just makes it quicker and easier to get the job done.
Absolutely.
So
next up, another product that we love are really just roller extension poles, right? A lot of guys will start out with maybe like differently, like a 4 to 8 foot one, right? and then you want to get some smaller and larger ones. So
Yep.
like a good painter is gonna have this guy. He's gonna have one that's twice this big. Then you're gonna have the 4-foot one.
Yep.
Then you'll have the 8-foot, and then you'll get the 10-foot, and each one of those
Yep.
double in length. And so you can paint stuff super high, but a lot of guys forget to buy this one, and this
Yes.
one particularly I like because there's a lot of hallways and small bathrooms.
Yes.
And this is great because you can do this action, right?
Yep.
If you have too big of a roller, you can't do that action,
Yep.
right?
It's really good for tight corners and
Tight corners,
awkward spaces.
getting in little tiny toilet bathroom.
Yep.
Kind of, what do they call those?
Like a
Toilet room?
towel closet, or what do you mean?
Water closet. That's what
Oh, the water closet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just tight spots, little tiny closets, whatever. That one definitely is
It's
beneficial.
awesome.
All right, next up, wire brush.
Wire brush.
This seems very
That's
simple.
how Alan's hair looks so
Yeah,
good.
right here. Just
Actually, that'd be painful.
yeah. Anyways, I don't use it to comb my hair, but I do think a good wire brush is something that all painters should have at all times, because there are a lot of scenarios where you're trying to clean a surface, and it's the
Stone.
only thing. Yes, like
Concrete.
stone, concrete, whatever, and this
Your
thing.
brushes.
Yes, there's so many things that really only a good wire brush will actually clean. Another thing is that for like older homes or like areas where you have like a lot of peeling and scraped surfaces, sometimes you scrape the home, but then there's still like a little bit of like weird
Yes, you
gunkiness.
just hit it with that guy.
And this thing will make your life so much easier, I promise you, especially on an old like historical or scrape house. If you
There's
just
some wire brushes with a little
where they kind of
little
stick
scraper
forward
on top, like
yep.
that.
And so those are pretty dope. But yes, anyways, it will save your life. Save you a lot of time.
Save your
not
life.
save your life.
It'll save
It will
hours, which
save your
saves
life.
time in your life, which is the same as saving your life. I see the logic.
It will save your butt on a lot of situations, because sometimes the only way you can get a little bit of paint drip or things off too is also with a wire brush. Careful using it on carpet, because sometimes on some
Don't really
carpets,
use it on carpet.
yeah,
There's a
don't.
softer
Mhm.
one that you can probably use for carpet.
Yes.
This one's
it will
pretty
pull
brittle.
the.
But
Yeah.
there's like a softer bristle wire
Mhm.
brush
Yep.
that you can kind of use on carpet real gently.
Little gently.
Very
Yep.
gently.
That's
Last
it.
one is basically this goes on a
Pole sander.
like this,
Yep.
and
Put sandpaper on it.
you put some sandpaper on it, and then you
And
sand
sand
stuff.
away.
And this thing is awesome.
It is
If you
awesome.
got to sand a whole wall,
Mhm.
or you need to sand a ceiling, this is literally fantastic.
Yep.
So popcorn removal jobs.
Yep.
There's also a circular disc one. That one's
A lot of
probably
guys like
better.
the circular one for.
That one's really good for ceilings,
Ceilings
but even
especially.
then, you still want to run this one in all the corners.
Yep.
And if you fold the sandpaper right, you got the edges here, but you also fold it on the side, so it'll even kind of run it. You can run it through
Yep.
that corner as well. It's good sand there too.
Yep.
Then you have the circular disc, which is a little faster for the larger areas.
Mm-hmm.
It'll save you a lot of time. Like you can get like a Festool or some kind of power sanding that has a pole too. Those are pretty cool. But this is great. Great tool. We love it. I've seen a lot of guys not use them very much.
Yep.
They try to do stuff by hand, especially the new guys.
Yeah.
You just got to know the tools that are out there.
Yeah. These tools will save your life.
Save time, certainly.
They won't save your life. They definitely will save time, and
Yes.
they'll make your life easier.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for watching this episode of Paint Talk. Make sure to watch some more and hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thanks, guys.